Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to add Bitcoin as a payment method in Shopify. Now, before we get started, you can get a 3-month free trial on Shopify with our link down below. So let's get started with the video. So in order to add Bitcoin as a payment method in Shopify, you first need to opt in one of these 4 payment methods. So first one is crypto.com, then you have Strike Commerce, and you have Coinbase Commerce, and then you have BitPay. So one of these you can go and select to be your payment method. So obviously, let's say you want to set up crypto.com. As you can see, all you have to do is log in into retailer's dashboard. On the left menu, click developers, then plugins, and then under Shopify, you can click on manage. You can enter Shopify store name and click the install and connect button, and then click authorize button to install crypto.com pay in your desired store. Select your crypto.com Pay's merchant account to authorize the connection to your store, and you'll be redirected to the Shopify admin, and then you will basically just go and activate crypto.com Pay button. Now, that's the connection status that you can do, and obviously the connection status will be connected upon successful installation. Now, second most recommended payment gateway for Bitcoin and crypto is BitPay. So you can also install BitPay. You just need to create BitPay merchant account, log in into your account to create an API token, and then add BitPay into your Shopify store. Now, alternatively, you can go into your Shopify admin, click on settings at the bottom left corner, go to payments, and then in the additional payment method section, you can click add payment methods. From there, you can choose the relevant crypto payment platforms that are available in your country and click activate and then click connect. That way, you will need to enter your account credentials and you'll be able to add crypto as a payment method, and you'll be also able to enable Bitcoin as a payment method as well. Now, hopefully this video helped you out. Again, if you want to reach out and if you want to get started with your e-commerce store, feel free to do so down below in the comment section below, and you can get a 3-month free trial on Shopify if you opt in with our link down below. Thank you guys for watching.